morning and hello, I'm Professor Code. This is the Forex Supermodel racing review and Forex briefing for Saturday the 6th of May 2023. Yesterday we had a race at Goodwood on the flat, 345. We're on this number one Ancestral Land, which came fourth at 92. Didn't fire that horse really, and we actually added to it as it drifted. So we ended up having £3 per £8 units. That's £300 on for us. 0.375 exposure, so we lost a lot there. What happened there? Well, basically, we rejected the eventual winner, this Cicero's Gift, which came in at 7 to 4. We didn't think that was going to be good enough. It had been in a Wolverhampton 8.5 band C and D, and the main problem with this Ancestral Lamb was it was sweating up, and it didn't look right, that horse, on the day. It didn't have its usual zest, and so if you're looking for an excuse, I would suggest that's it. The horse wasn't right really. It ran in a very lackluster manner, and it was sweating up on its sides and neck. And bearing in mind it had run a decent race in the Craven previously, then what can you say? Anyway, hard luck. So the account came down a little bit, down to plus 67 units in profit overall. Very sticky resistance on this account at the moment. Anyway, today we're having a good crack at the Newmarket 2000 guineas. We're on this number 2 Shaldine. It's Dettori's horse. He came off, was unseated last time. What do we know about Shaldine? Well, it's had some runs. It's basically been unbeaten apart from when it unseated. Newbury initially at 6 furlongs, novice stakes. Then Newbury 7 furlongs, good novice stakes, both good there. York, the Atcombe stakes, 7 furlong, good Group 3. And then Doncaster, 7 furlong, soft, the Champagne stakes. And then finally, as a 2-year-old, the 7 furlong Dewhurst stakes, good. So it's got a pretty good, strong profile, winners all the way. And then it went in the Greenham, which is a significant 2,000 guineas fee. It's up against all the usual O'Brien Brigade from Ireland. But we've managed to get 4 places on that horse at slightly above evens, so we've gone for that route rather than spreading it around all the others. So we've gone £2 per £8 unit at 4 places, and £2 win at 8.2 to 1. We expect that horse to shorten up, quite frankly. It'll have the Frankie Dettori factor, which people will probably bet it just for that. If you read some reports, he is retiring this year, and he will want to go out on a high. So he'll be trying, and if he can actually stay on the horse, it would be helpful. So that's £4 per £8 unit, £400 on for us, 0.5 exposure. That's that Shaldine. Pretty decent odds for that type of horse. It's a Frankel horse, and it's really looks the business as far as we're concerned. So we'll see how we go with that. On the Forex front, yesterday we had NFP, strong non-farm payrolls. We didn't get in the market. Next week we're looking to do some buffer trades where we wait for the market to be either sold off or ramped prior to some significant data, and then we'll be looking for the profit take feed or reverse bounce on those trades. We'll talk about that a bit more next week as we go, and try and highlight where we're going to be doing it. So that's where we are. Yesterday, not so clever. This Cicero's Gift basically sort of came from off the pace and stuffed us. The other one, Cold Sai, which number 4, which came second, had been in the Fielden Stakes, which is a minor Derby feed, and the 2 miler in there was our horse, which was Ancestral Land, which which has run very well in the Craven. But as I said, there's some question marks there. So just the way it goes, hard luck. So we'll leave it there, and hopefully we'll have better go on this shelving. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.